Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are doing another Boot Barn haul. My favorite. I know I haven't done one of these since my Durango trip, so if you could please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what your favorite piece is, and hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell so that way you get notified every single time I upload a new video. So let's just run right into this video. So in my first bag here, this is actually what Gavin's mom got me for Mother's Day and some stuff for Kodee. We have, and I'm not going to read, let me actually clarify that. I am not going to read off the prices in this bag, but I will read off the prices on the price tags of my bag that I purchased. So let's start off with this cute little purse. So this is for Kodee. She is a dog mom, so Doreen got her a little bit of a gift. This is a little purse with a horse in it. It has a little tie here. Of course, the little stuffed animal fits inside this purse. She has a little bow, and it has some multicolored, I don't even know what you would call those, but it has a multicolored detail there on the front, on the bow, and around the little purse. Has little straps, and it is super cute. Little Miss, of course, needed some boots. We just sized her up in shoes, so we had to get her some boots. Pop this open. These are size 3. They are the Little Boot Barn brand Little Poppets, and they are in size 3D, and these are what they look like. They have a little bit of a cactus detail there on the front. It has the Velcro detail there on the back. It actually is functional Velcros. Let's see here. See, it has functional Velcro to expand. There on the bottom, you have a little bit of a toe detail and heel print. So that way it has a little bit of support, but it's still a soft bottom shoe. And those are the little boots that we got her. Again, these are size 3. Super cute. All right. So right now, after I had Kodee, I only have 2 pairs of shorts that actually fit me. So I got a pair of shorts. These are size 4 Idlewind Shorts Rebel. As you can see, you can roll them up or you can roll them down. That's what the front looks like there. And this is what the back looks like. Those are the pockets. And it has a little bit of a torn detailing. The next item that I have is a Wrangler shirt. This is in the size medium. This is such a beautiful shirt. It has the white and button detailing here on the front. I am seriously so in love with this shirt. It has the puffy sleeves, and it won't be a full short sleeve, but definitely super, super cute. Okay, so this is the bag which I purchased. All the stuff in here. Let's just get started. Of course, as always, I start off with Kodee stuff. So I have this cute little Wrangler romper, and it has the pearl snap here on the front. It is in the size 24 months. No detailing here on the back, but super cute. This was actually $24.99. For 24 months, I feel like it's kind of short, but super cute. Love it. Okay. Next, I have this Shyanne onesie with the pajama set. These are not fire resistant. Keep that in mind. These have the footy pajamas, and they don't have the hand covering. You don't really need that when they're older. And it says "Giddy Up Little Darling" on it. And of course, as you can see, it has horses on the pajamas. These are a clearance item, so they were purchased for $26.99, but super cute. I got these in 18 months and 24 months just because we're sizing up now. She's in 12-month clothes, in size 3 shoes, and I just want to be able to make sure that I have clothes for whenever she grows out of the clothes that I purchased in my Carter's haul. If you have not seen that video, go ahead and go find that. Next, we have some shirts for me that I purchased. This is another Wrangler shirt, super cute jean shirt. This is actually a size small, but it seems like it's a little bit big. Maybe that's just me, but I love the detailing that it has here on the front. The embroidered tan and brown color is super beautiful, and I purchased this for $44.99. I have not tried any of these things on yet, but I love this. This is my style, just saying. Next, I have this Shyanne shirt. It is a tan beige, and it has that fringe detailing on the bottom. It's super soft and a very nice material. Obviously, everybody has seen this shirt going around for a while now. I've debated on purchasing it for a long time, and I finally took the plunge. So again, this was a size small, and it was $39.99. I have another clearance item. These are some sweats that they had there. They have a lace detail here on the side. Nice cream beige color. This is in the size medium. They have the tie here on the front, and they're so soft on the inside. They're not exactly thick, but that's okay. We have some pocket action going on here. And I purchased these for $30.99. Let's go ahead and see what else I got. I got 2 pairs of Wrangler jeans. If you have not noticed, I am a big Wrangler fan. So a lot of what I purchased is going to be Wrangler. And we have 2 pairs of jeans here. I actually tried these on just a little while earlier, and one pair is a little bit too big. So these are the 38 by 34 Wrangler retros. These are high-rise jeans, and they are very high-rise. These are, of course, what the pocket looks like, the classic W for the Wrangler. You have your Wrangler patch here, and of course you have all your little belt loops. You have the Wrangler stitching right there on the waistline. And on the back, you will see here that it has kind of like this pleat or seam, just so that way you could have the ultra wide leg flare at the bottom. Now, these jeans fit me perfect. I love them. I love the fit. And I do like the wide leg flare. Like, this is a huge, huge flare. But that's kind of what I'm into at the moment, so I don't mind. I purchased these for $79.99. Ouch. All right. The next pair that I have is another pair of Wranglers. Look. And they are 29 by 34. Now, these ones are the pair that I said were a little bit too big, but that's okay. These are Wrangler Retro. They are trouser jeans. I really liked the fit. The only part that was big on me is right here in the front, in the crotch area, but that's okay. Like the other jeans, you have the Wrangler stitching there on the waistline on the inside of the jean. You have your high-waisted zipper, your belt loops, and you have your classic Wrangler patch with the W Wrangler butt. Super cute. Again, we have a wide leg, and of course it has the wide seam here for the trouser fit. I'm in love with the flare jean, and I love the color. These are the darker washed flare jeans. So those are those. Next, I have a couple of masks because here in New Mexico, we're still underneath the mask wearing shenanigans. These are all Shyanne masks. I purchased these for $12.99, and I got a cow print mask, a sort of Aztec looking print there, a black and white cactus desert theme, and a black cow print. Now I will take one of these out just to tell you if it is a nice breathable material or how they are. Okay, so when you take it out of the package, you will see here that it says Shyanne at the bottom, and it has a tag here. I would probably remove it, but it is the care instructions of this garment. And then it has just the regular cloth inside. It's actually going to be really breathable because it doesn't really have a filter on it, so that's nice. But I purchased all the masks for $12.99. Last but not least, I got some perfumes. I have not bought perfume in a really long time. I actually don't have the price tags for either of these, but if I find links, I'll link them down below and you can look up these on your own. So this is the Lace Noir perfume. It is in a, 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. It says here on the back that this one is perfect for evening wear. It is a sensual scent. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. I'm sure everybody has seen this bottle at any Boot Barn. It is a super pretty purple bottle with black detailing, silver on the back, and let's open it. It's a very nice, sweet, sensual smell. So let's read off the detailing on what it says here on one of these. It says soft and irresistible blends of vibrant nectar and alluring bouquets of gardenia and jasmine with cream caramel toffee for a luscious and romantic scent. I am seriously so in love with this perfume. I think it is my new favorite, and I will be purchasing more of it. The next one that I got is the Lace Perfume here. And if you don't know the brand, you can look up lacebeautycollection.com, and that is actually where I found these before I even purchased them in store, just to see what they kind of like describe the scents as on the website. Let's open this up. Now this bottle is almost exactly the same as the other bottle in the terms of detailing or shape of the bottle. The only thing that's different is this one is gold instead of silver. They have a plain clear rhinestone, no black, and the inside of it is a rose gold. So here is the front and here is the back of that. Let's open this up and take a whiff. That's like a very clean smell. Not as sweet as the other one, not as in your face as the other one. The other one, you're gonna walk into a room and it's like, bang, somebody's getting pregnant tonight. You know? Okay, so for this one, the details on the back say, lovely and exquisite. Lace blends bright citrus with feminine florals and velvet woods for a dazzling and sexy scent. Now this one is more for like an everyday daytime, which it actually says perfume is a weekend chic perfect daytime wear. And it gives you a little tip on both of the boxes here on how to, one, preserve for a longer lasting shelf life, and the other one actually has spritz your wrists and do not rub together to keep the beautiful top notes from evaporating. So it just gives a little tip on how to enhance your fragrance or your shelf life, and I think that's a really nice detail for the price. All right guys, that was it for this Boot Barn haul. I know there was a lot to go through because I got more clothes and masks and all kinds of shenanigans for me and Kodee, but I hope that you guys enjoy my Boot Barn hauls. That's one of the main places that I shop at next to Cavender's. So if you would like to see more hauls, or if you want to see all my Wrangler jeans or shirts, let me know in the comments down below. I have tons of Western fashion that I could show you guys. So please hit that subscribe button to follow me along on my YouTube Western wear journey shiznits. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one. Bye guys.